Let's explore the concept of SQL LEFT JOIN. This presentation will guide you through retrieving all records from the left table with matching right table data. So, what exactly is a left join? A left join returns all records from the left table, which we'll call Table 1, and the matching records from the right table, or Table 2. If there's no match, the result will show null on the right side. In essence, it prioritizes every entry from the left table, supplementing it with data from the right table where available. Let's break down the syntax of a left join. The basic structure begins with select, followed by the columns you want to retrieve. Then, from specifies the left table, or Table 1. The core part is left join, indicating you're joining to the right table, or Table 2. Unspecifies the condition for joining, typically when a column name in Table 1 equals a column name in Table 2. An alternative syntax is using left outer join, which is equivalent to left join. Both achieve the same result. The left join clause starts with the left table, then includes matching records from the right table. The terms left join and left outer join are equivalent. Let's look at example tables to understand how left join works. Consider a customers table as our left table, with columns like customer ID, customer name, and contact name. Then we have an orders table as our right table, with columns like order ID, customer ID, and order date. It is important to note that customer ID 4 and customer ID 5 don't have any orders. We will see how left join handles these records in the next slides. Here's an example query using left join. We're selecting customer ID and customer name from the customers table, aliased as C, along with order ID and order date from the orders table, aliased as O. We're joining customers, left join orders, on customer ID of customers equals customer ID of orders. Finally, we order by the customer ID. This query will return all customers from the customers table, include matching order information from the orders table when available, and show null values for order ID and order date when a customer has no orders. Even customers with no matching orders will appear in the results. Now let's examine the results of our left join query. You'll see all customers listed, including those without any orders. For customers with orders, you'll see the corresponding order ID and order date. However, for customers like Around the Horn and Berglund Snabkop, who have no orders, the order ID and order date columns display null. This is the key characteristic of a left join. It preserves all records from the left table. Here's a practical application. You can use a left join to find records from the left table that have no matching records in the right table. We start with a select statement to get the customer ID and customer name from the customers table. Then we perform a left join with the orders table on the customer ID. The crucial part is the where clause. We specify where the order ID is null. This filters the results to only show customers who do not have a matching order in the orders table. The query will return only customers who have no orders. This is useful for business intelligence and data analysis tasks like identifying potential sales opportunities. In summary, a left join returns all records from the left table and only matching records from the right table. When no match exists, null values are returned for the right table columns. You can use where right table.column is null to find records with no matches. Common use cases include finding orphaned records, generating reports, and ensuring data completeness. It's also useful for business intelligence and data analysis tasks like identifying all customers, including those who haven't made purchases. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.